This is the cake of the one that just gave birth. Okay, this is the cake.
And go for the block.
No, the time you don't hold the cake with your bare hand, right? You wear the gloves and you hold the cake and bring it in. But to hold them like that with your bare hand, if the mother can't lick it, the certain slippery things up only the mother supposed to lick it, and then they get used to their own cake. So you're not supposed to just hold the animal with your hand like that. But we'll get a small glove that you will really want it. You know that one can be in the hospital? A small one. And you can just wear that one time use. But you can be plenty inside. But the one that here, you can use it. This is not well. As you can see, this is not well. This is not well. And the cake is not too okay as well.
But it will not be on the animal. The animal bar not more than 3 something. Not more than 3. You start?
Yeah. Yeah. You got a cake. You got a cake. You got a cake. You got a sheep cake. One of the church bone. I did the one here. I did the one there. 2 here. I 2 there. Another 2. Another 2. I 3 here. This 3. And 1. And the mother. One already sucking. Sucking guy. Yeah, yesterday he gave birth. Yesterday.
So it means that this have been completed now. What you want to do is okay now. You moving it? I just experiment with try. And I just had to go in the store and ask the people, I want that bell. What you can put around the animal to weigh them. Yeah, we can ask. Even the semen bell. Because you know the one that are pregnant, we have to cherish them. You see the semen bell? You see and you see that Wawa semen bell? They can plait it. Okay. In the front of the hammer. And you know the country hammer what people can hang inside? Okay. They can face it like that. People can apply it. They can sew it. They can sew it. Musa! Please help me with the... So the battery will not keep it inside 80. Okay, the brown one, the really coming to itself. And then so? Yeah. But why? How about guy? You don't think the brown will must stay in Fatima? That brown one, you don't think is staying in Fatima? Because you recommend, but the body stay grab. Oh! Musa, you go down. Musa, bring something for me. Hey! na le be no iya. Kambi be na le akwa ale be no. Ema amuzuko Ghana bi we. So abe oba me no e makunga ka ewi okay. Kunga me no ka ake. Be so baba mo na alemu be ya te amenu ke. Amusuma lemu be no amenu ke. So they go eat. No, you keep one of the mayor.
I said the school driver,
Yeah. I'm sure the school driver, I get it, forgetting. I'm sure I guess.